I got caught up in looking at all this footage of videos going to the beach.
Hey, WheelTips Joe!
What's up, fam? WheelTips Joe here. You know how I do it. I always do it WheelTips style. The reason why I'm doing this live is because I feel very reminiscent. I'm looking at all my old photos from a year ago, and I'm getting ready to put together this video for everybody, right? And I was just only gonna use 5 or 6 clips to edit in iMovie. No joke. I had 70 video clips and 40 photos. I just went buck wild when I looked through everything that I've done from last year throughout this year, right? In terms of just shooting footage with the goal of making video after video. Well, I got caught up, y'all. I got caught up in looking at all this footage of videos that I took last year going to the beach. You just don't know how much I miss the beach. When I say missing the beach, I'm talking about I miss getting in the water. I love getting in the water because, it has been years of me sitting right there on the sideline, looking at the sand, which is an architectural barrier that I cannot cross, and then I'm looking at the waves coming into the shore, right? And I'm just wishing that I could stick my feet in the water, my hand in the water, you understand, my toe in the water, splash some water on me, let me taste the salt, you feel me? And so last year was my first year that I experienced going to Sabrina's Adaptive Beach Day. And it's like twice a month on a Sunday for 4 hours. We have a beach party. I'm talking about with food and the music and volunteers and beach wheelchairs, and they roll you out across the sand into the water, and you can stay in the water and enjoy just being in the water, man. Just being in the water. Just being in it. I miss that. Not only was it fun, did you see my fedora? I'm incognito, right? You know I rock a bald head. Well, I'm rocking this black fedora. You saw it? I'm rocking this black fedora, and I got some black Ray-Bans on, right? Everybody know my glasses look like this. My shade, these are my prescription Oakley shades. Everybody know I wear these, right? So I'm incognito right now, right? But anyway, what I'm saying is, I miss going to the beach. I miss getting in the water. I actually feel kind of ticked off a little bit. I got a vent. I'm kind of ticked off because I can't get in the beach water. All because of what's going on. I'm not even going to call his name. Start with a C, end with 19, and got a capital P. A-N-D-E-M-I-C. Because of that little thing right there, which is a big thing, we can't go to the beach this year and get in the water. Like I said, we have a lot of fun at the beach. But I'm going to tell you something. The beach water, the salt water, is therapeutic for your body. Straight up. I'm going to give it to you 100. When I get into that beach water and float around and try to swim around a little bit for about 30 minutes or 45 minutes, I promise you, it takes all my aches and pains out of my body for 2 straight weeks. That's how good that salt water is for your body. I try not to drink too much of it when I'm in the water, you know what I'm saying? I try not to swallow too much because it can upset your stomach. You hear me? And plus it can make you thirsty and everything because it's salt water, right? But getting in the beach is one of the most therapeutic, relaxing, fun, and enjoyable things that you could ever do for yourself. For real. You know, I'm WheelTips Joe. I rock this wheelchair back here. You see my wheels? See? But we got this adaptive beach day in South Florida, North Beach, and it's closed for 2020. Closed. Canceled. Can't even go to the beach and have fun in the water. Now I could go to the beach and I can look at everybody else in their little swimsuits and their little 2-piece bikinis and whatnot and so forth. Walk and run across the sand, splash in the water. But all I can do is look. So I feel some type of way right now, because I want to be getting in the water too, just like everybody else. So if anybody's out there who's hearing me, and you know how I can get in the ocean and not drown, you feel me? Somebody please let me know and hook a brother up, because I promise you, I want to get in the water in the worst way. You hear me? That's why I went live right now, because I couldn't hold it in. I got to vent to somebody, you know? And it all started because I called myself making a movie, and I pulled up some of my old clips, and I started watching them. And I got so many clips of going to the beach, getting in the water, splashing, having fun, feeling good, socializing, kicking it with everybody. If you want to see somebody with a big Kool-Aid smile on their face, you just check all of us out when we was at the beach day. I mean, this is something that we look forward to twice a month. Twice a month. Man, we had so much fun. If anybody feeling what I'm talking about, hit me up, type beach or something, you know. WheelTips Joe, just let me know you hear what I'm saying, that you can empathize with me. Don't sympathize with me, empathize with me. I want to be in the water. Y'all seen some of my beach videos last year. I know you did. We was having fun. With a capital F-U-N. Man, I'm so doggone disappointed that I can't go to the beach day this year. I think I'm about to start sweating. But I just had to share it with somebody that, man, I'm actually disappointed, really. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to think about it too much because I'll be fighting mad and funeral sad, you know? I don't want it to be another 24-hour drag, because the beach is fun. Hey, man, it's out of the ordinary, you know what I mean? It's like, this is not something that I do every day, you feel me? Yeah. We had bridges over the architectural barriers. We could get from the beach sand into the water because of the Adaptive Beach Day program. You know? I miss it. I miss Beach Day. And I stand on it like a rock. Oh, what's up, baby girl? I love you. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you type WheelTips Joe. I appreciate you. I love you for that. I really do. I really do. You make me feel better because my feelings are hurt right now. I can't go to the beach. I can't even go to the beach. Now, how would you feel? How would you feel if you went to the beach and you could see the water, but physically you couldn't get to the water? That's what I go through when I'm in my wheelchair. Sometimes I wish I had superpowers and I wish I could fly. I would fly and do a Superman dive in the water. Well, you know, I'd be hoping it was deep, you understand, because I'm not trying to hit a sandbar or something and break my neck, you know. Well, maybe I wouldn't dive. I'd just jump in it and do a cannonball or something. You know, I just like run and jump. Baya, I'd roll up in a big old ball. I'd like, Daya. I make a big splash. Because that's what you do at the beach. You have fun. You have fun at the beach. Get in the water and stuff. And I miss it. I want all y'all to know I straight miss Beach Day. You feel me? Whew. But anyway, I am going to eventually complete this video that I started on last night. And you're going to see how much fun I had at the beach day. I got a lump in my throat. I miss Beach Day. Period. I'm going to figure out a way how to get in the water. That's what I'm going to do. Beach wheelchair, no beach wheelchair. I'm going to figure out a way. Somebody going to bring me a cup of the doggone Atlantic Ocean or something. Just throw it in my face or something. Just splash it all over my body. I want to taste the salt. You feel me? I don't want to drink it. I just want to taste it, you know. To let me know that's what it is. Man. Summer gone. Didn't even go to the beach. In the water. I've been to the beach. But I have not gotten in the water. And I feel some type of way because I never got in the water. Yeah. 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 I just had to respond to my niece. Yeah. But I do miss the beach. And I ain't talking about just looking at it. I miss getting in the water. I love getting in the water at the beach. If you love getting in the water at the beach, throw a number 1 up or something. You know what I mean? Make me feel like you feel like I feel. You know what I'm trying to say. Shoot. Hit me with a 1. On the 1. on the one. Because I miss the beach. You too? You miss it too? We going one day. We're going one day. And the family. All the kids. Don't be surprised. Thank you. I hope I can get into the ocean soon. I hope I can get into the ocean soon. And don't be surprised if I say, come on down and join me. Everybody, just come on, let's have a party. Because I want you to feel what I feel. It feels, you know what? Amazing don't even begin to describe how good I feel when I get into the ocean. I'm not talking about a swimming pool. I can get in somebody's swimming pool. I got a swimming pool. You know, I got a swimming pool. For that matter, I got a swimming pool. I'm not talking about a swimming pool. I'm talking about the ocean at the beach. My body in the water, swimming. You feel me? Swimming in the ocean, because it's different. Being in the ocean water and being in a swimming pool is two different things. The water don't even taste the same. In a swimming pool, you tasting chlorine. You don't want to taste no chlorine. Actually, you really don't want to taste too much of that ocean water either, you know. I mean, a little bit of it might be good for you. But you don't want a stomach full of salt water. Yeah, it'll make you sick. Nauseated. You have to come back in and drink like bottle after bottle of bottled water to get back right, you know? So I'm just sitting here into my thoughts, basically into my feelings, because I can't get into the beach water. Because the beach program is canceled for this year. We would be having fun at the beach if we had beach day right now. Everybody know who go to the beach, they have fun. Everybody, well, all of us miss it. I just happen to be brave and courageous enough to get on live and vent to let you know that I miss beach day. Yeah, we going. One day we going. I'm going to hit you up. I'm going to hit you up. I'm going to hit you up. Bring the family. Come on. I got you. There ain't nothing like being at the beach. You got your food. You got your friends. You got the music. And you got the water. I promise you, when I'm in the water, right, I don't even feel like I'm paralyzed. All that stress that be on my brain, it be gone. Because it ain't but two things on my mind is to have fun and enjoy the freedom that I get of being in the water, swimming. We have like 5 volunteers around each person that has a disability at beach day when we're in the water. So we don't have to worry about drowning or anything like that. We practice drowning prevention big time, right? So the only focus is, man, just having fun. I mean, you can be in the water and you can talk at the same time. You have to watch it. You have to watch it when you're trying to open your mouth and talk and a wave busts you in the face and now you got a stomach full of water. You got to watch for that. But other than that, man, you out there laughing, having a good time, man. It's hard to keep your mouth closed when you're in the water. Because you're too busy smiling and talking. Because that's how much fun you had. Anybody who's been to the beach, they know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Know what I'm talking about. So, like I said, I was going through my video clips last night in the process of making a video. I was going to make like a 4-minute video. Right now, I'm in the middle of editing, and that 4-minute video has turned into a 25-minute video. Now, I don't know what the end product is going to be, because it was so good to me, I just had to just keep it in. I had so much fun. But I will edit it down to a manageable amount of minutes. And one day, everybody's going to see the video that I'm ranting and raving about, because you're going to know it's the video I'm talking about, because you're going to see me in the water. You're going to see me having fun. You're going to see everybody else having fun. And you'll be like, yeah, that's that video WheelTips Joe was talking about. Yeah. See, right now, I'm the only one, can just embrace it. Because I'm in the process of editing the video. But when I put it out there for the public, for everybody to see, you're going to be like, man, I seen WheelTips live the other day. I remember whenever that was, I seen WheelTips. He was just talking about how much fun he had at the beach. This got to be the video he was talking about, because look at him. He having so much fun. Yeah, I know I'm talking in the third person right now, right? But I got to do something. Man, somebody say something to me, make a comment or something so I can kick it with you. I'm up here talking to myself like I'm talking to myself, Actually, I'm not. You guys, you're great, You're really great. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I really do. I appreciate you listening to what I'm saying and feeling my pain. Because if I had my way, I would be at the beach in the water. In the water. In the water. The water is tranquilo. It's so calming, soothing. It's so relaxing. You could almost fall asleep when you're laying on your back. Because that salt water will keep you buoyant. If you know how to do it right. It's a technique to being in the ocean. And I kind of know a little bit how to not drown and enjoy myself when I'm in the ocean. At least for as long as I'm in the water. So, man, y'all help me out, because I'm really reminiscing about being in the water. I miss the beach so much. I'm not going to cry about it or nothing like that, but I feel it. I feel the cancellation of the beach day. Because after all, that's what I'm here for. To go to the beach and get in the water. I just don't want to go to the beach and look at everybody else having fun. I want to have fun too. If you had a chance to go to the beach and get in the water, wouldn't you do it? Wouldn't you do it? Hey man, you see that? Y'all like my black fedora? They gave me Facebook Live gave me some black Ray-Bans to wear, and every now and then when I turn my head, you can see my bald head. Because everybody know this is what I wear. I wear Oakleys. You know what I mean? I wear these Oakleys. But let me put my black Ray-Bans back on. According to this. Yeah, you feel what I'm saying, right? They got me incognito with this black fedora and these Ray-Bans on. I got these Ray-Bans on. So, I guess this is what I get for looking through my old video clips. Well, I mean, I did it intentionally. I'm pulling my clips out because I'm making a video. And I started looking at those clips from beginning to end. And I started reminiscing about beach day. Beach day is like one of the most funnest times, funnest. You feel me? Funnest. One of the most funnest times I ever had in my life is getting in the water, going to the beach. Wouldn't you feel like I feel if you've been paralyzed for 44 years? And you wanted to do something and you couldn't, all because you paralyzed? Well, right now, that's how I feel when my mobility is restricted and I can't do something that I want to do. And what I want to do is get into the ocean, jump in it. I remember when I was younger, right? And we used to go to the beach, right? We didn't have a beach wheelchair, you know. We didn't have any matting or whatever you call it, any type of tarp to roll over the sand. We just rolled across the sand and just rolled into the ocean, right? Far enough into the ocean until the wave would lift me out of my wheelchair. And then I'd be in the in the water, in the ocean, swimming, right? But the funny thing about it is, you don't have to worry about your wheelchair because it sticks in the sand. It doesn't float off into the sea. It sticks into the sand. You just get out there and swim around and do whatever you're gonna do. And then, you know, you get back in your wheelchair and roll across the sand and go find a water hose and hose yourself off and hose all the salt water and the sand off your everyday wheelchair. Yeah, that's right. I used to get into the beach. I used to get into the ocean water in my everyday wheelchair. You know why? Because it was the only one I had. And that was my only form of transportation. My wheelchair was my legs. My wheelchair right here. You see this wheel? My wheelchair is still my legs. 44 years later. I ain't new to this. But I'm going to be true to this till I die. We need more accessible beaches for people like you and people like me. Because we want to go swimming in the ocean like everybody else. It's not rocket science. I want to go to the beach. I want to get into the ocean. I got a way to do it. I got a way to do it. I do. I don't know if I can get what I need to do it, but I figured it out. I know how I can get it. I can get out there. I know how to get out there. Hey, don't be surprised if one day if you see me, you see me in the ocean. And you be like, Joe, ain't no beach there. I'm like, ain't no beach wheelchair either, but I'm still in the water. That's all I do is overcome this built environment. That's all I do on a daily basis. I can't stand being reminded that it's something that I can't do because of some physical architectural barrier in the way that's preventing me from enjoying my life like before I got hurt. I just miss beach day, y'all. That's what it all comes down to. I miss beach day, period. And I just had to tell somebody, man, I couldn't keep it to myself. I couldn't keep it to myself. I guess that's what I get for looking at too many old video clips. Because I sure had a lot of fun. Now, every time you went to the beach, now, didn't you have fun too? I know you did. You can't help but to have fun at the beach. You got the water, you got the food, you got the music, you got your friends, you got the sunshine. You set. You set. You set. You be posted up like a stamp. That's how set you be. Oh, yeah. And then you know you're going to have something to sip on, you know. Some juice, some punch, whatever you drink, some type of beverage. You know you're going to be sipping good. I miss the beach. I don't know about y'all, but I miss the beach. Miss it with a passion. I miss the beach. And like I said, I'm going to figure out a way how to get into the water. You be like, WheelTips Joe wasn't playing. He figured out a way to get into the water. Is something wrong? Uh-oh. Say something. Ask me a question or write a comment or something. You know? Change the subject or something. Because, I mean, the only thing I can think about is being in the beach. At the beach. In the water. Right now. You know what really messed me up? Is the other Saturday I went to the beach. And I looked at everybody having fun, walking and running across the sand, jumping and splashing in the water. And as far as I could go was the concrete that separated the sidewalk from the sand. It had a drop off about that big. If I would have got down into the sand, I would have got stuck anyway. It wasn't no need of trying to make a point by rolling in the sand. I can't roll in the sand. You might can roll into the sand. I can't roll in. The sand is like snow to me. in my wheelchair. It spins in a circle, you know what I'm saying? The more I push, the more deeper into the sand my wheel sinks into the ground. I just want to go to the beach. Bump all that. The sand is just a byproduct. I just want to get in the water and go to the beach and just chill. Like everybody else. You like my fedora and my black shades? I just want to go to the beach. The beach. My hat came off and you saw my bald head, right? I'm just chilling. But I still want to go to the beach. If anybody feel like I feel, let me know. Maybe together we can figure out how we can get into the water at the beach. I don't care which ocean it is. The Atlantic, the Pacific, the Indian Ocean, the Dead Sea, the Red Sea, the Nile River. I just want to get in the water. In the water. That's all I ask. To have access to the water. Speaking of access, you know, AccessView is my channel. As WheelTips Joe, I bring wheelchair tips to wheelchair users and travelers from around the world. We deal in accessibility solutions. I would love to get with anybody to solve this problem of getting from the sidewalk across the sand to the ocean. Because I got the skill set to get it done. But I need a little resources, if you know what I mean. I miss the beach. One day I'm going to the beach and getting in the water again. That's one day I do look forward to. Just thinking about it puts a big Kool-Aid smile on my face. I guess I just go home and just pull up my videos and look at them on my laptop. Put them on my TV screen or something. Because I had fun at the beach. As I was saying, I'm in the process of making a video. And it was only supposed to be about 4 minutes long with about 5 or 6 clips. But in this jacket that I have for the video, I have 70 video clips and 40 photographs. I know I'm not going to use everything, but it sure was fun reminiscing, looking through all those clips. Man, I have fun when I'm at the beach. I mean, fun. Out of the ordinary fun. It's beyond amazing. More than awesome. A lot more than fantabulous. Being at the beach in the water is just undescribable. And it's indescribable delicious. Make you feel good inside. Woo! So when I get myself together, I'm gonna continue editing the footage for this video that I'm producing, and I'll share it with the world. You'll see what I'm talking about. The title of the video is not even about going to the beach, but it's turning into going to the beach. You feel me? It's about something else, but I got some beach clips in it because it's all relevant. It's all relevant, and it comes together like a puzzle. I'm gonna keep it 100. I really enjoy going to the beach. And not just going, but getting in the water. That's it. Being a wheelchair user and being able to get in the water, that's enough to make you feel good. You feel me? I'm out. Peace.